King County's wastewater treatment division serves 1.7 million people in parts of King, Snohomish, and Pierce counties. The division's 700 full-time employees maintain and operate treatment facilities, plan and design system improvements, partner with industries to prevent pollution, and teach people and businesses to protect water quality. Every day, industries in our region use water to fabricate airplanes, make sausages, brew beer, and build skyscrapers. When an industry is finished using water for their business purposes, they can't just wash it down the drain like you do in your home. Water that has been used in an industrial process is different. It may be more acidic, be full of fats and food waste that clog our pipes, or it may contain chemicals that endanger worker safety or adversely affect our sewer and treatment plants. Our wastewater treatment system may not be able to break down these chemicals, and they can end up in Puget Sound or in recycled products. And that's where the King County Industrial Waste Program comes in. It's their job to make sure industries are following the rules.
The Industrial Waste Program works with customers to reduce and prevent pollution at the source. It's much more effective to reduce pollutants before they get into the sewer system than it is after they get to the treatment plants.
King County's Industrial Waste Program regulates more than 600 commercial and industrial customers. They are expected to follow federal and local rules that tell them what they can and can't put into the wastewater system. The Industrial Waste Program issues permits and authorizations that describe what each customer needs to do. Some companies have to pre-treat their industrial wastewater before they discharge into the sewer system. Others need to report how much they are putting into the system, and each year we conduct about 400 inspections and collect some 1,600 wastewater samples from around the county. Permits and authorizations tell industries to what levels they need to treat their wastewater and how much monitoring is required. Companies collect and test samples and send us their results. And we also inspect and sample their facilities. The Industrial Waste Program works with industrial facilities to make sure they are not only following these rules, but know the best way to do so.
The main way we prevent pollution at the source is by ensuring that businesses properly treat their wastewater and collect representative samples and ensure they're in compliance with our discharge limits. We also provide assistance with BMPs, best management practices. For example, we've established some BMPs for breweries. One of those BMPs is filtration, and it's as simple as that. Filter the water before discharge to the sewer. Helps you ensure compliance with our discharge limitations.
Here we are doing inspection, and we meet with our contact when we do a general walkthrough of the facility and look at all the treatment system, make sure that the treatment system operation is working correctly, and review their records to ensure that they meet discharge limits. When we go on inspection, many of our customers are happy to see us. They like doing the right thing for the environment and the community. And properly treating their industrial waste saves them money in the long run because they avoid fines and legal action.
Part of the reason why we take so much care in our wastewater treatment is our commitment to the community. We are in a residential commercial area, so we have neighbors on either side of us. So we need to be respectful of their land, their water, and we also just want them to be accepting of what we do. We have a number of employees that live in this neighborhood as well. So we're very ingrained in the community. We'd like to stay that way, and one way to continue to be so is just to be mindful and respectful of everybody, our environment, and then just our relationships as a whole.
I take real pride in what I do for the community and for our surroundings and for what goes in the water down the drain.
Businesses who meet or exceed their permit requirements earn awards, as do those who practice exceptional environmental practices.
It's nice to show off. And 10 years in a row we received Gold Award from King County. This is going to be our 2 consecutive Commitment to Compliance Award. Sure, it shows commitment to doing the right thing for the environment. But also, when we talk to our customers, they know that we're responsible. They know that we care about the environment. We're able to meet standards and requirements in environmental, health and safety, or quality. So when they send their parts to us, they know that we will take good care of them, and then we won't have problem meeting standards.
While most of our businesses follow the rules and many receive awards for their commitment to keeping pollution out of their wastewater, some run into trouble. Sometimes a citizen complaint, a tip from another agency, or a spike in a sample can lead our team of investigators to find an issue.
When we're investigating a complaint, we open maintenance covers, inspect drains, and take samples to see if we can find the source of the problem, and we usually can. When we find something, we go to that business to inspect and help them correct the issue.
Businesses that violate the rules receive fines, and in some cases, King County is required to publish their names in the newspaper.
Our goal is to not punish businesses, but rather to provide technical assistance and outreach and to provide incentives to businesses to properly manage and pre-treat their waste before they get into the sewer system.
King County's wastewater treatment division depends on the industrial waste program to work with industries to prevent pollution from getting into the system. By working together, we help prevent pipes from corroding and getting clogged, protect the workers and the treatment process, and keep our recycled products clean and protect the environment. If you'd like to learn more about the work of King County's industrial waste program, visit our website. And if you have an industrial wastewater discharge complaint, you can call us at 206-477-5300.